Hi everybody, it's Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and today I'm going to give you a walkthrough of a corner king room at Disney's Beach Club Resort. As we enter the room here, you can see that immediately off to our right is the closet space, and this is a very generous size closet, particularly for a room that only sleeps 2 people. So you can see there's storage on hangers as well as up top. There are some additional shelves. And over here on the left side of the closet, you can see is where they have put the safe as well as the luggage rack. Just up here on our right, we see the bathroom. You can see there's plenty of space on the counter. There's also some storage space down below, and it does come equipped with a hairdryer. You can also see in the toilet area that we have a shower tub combo right next to that, and we also have a full-length mirror on the back of this door. As we make our way into the heart of the room, you can see we have a little beverage station here with the cutest Mickey and Minnie beach-inspired artwork above it. We have a Keurig brand here. It does come equipped with some K-cups as well as accessories. If you run out of those, you can let the front desk know and they will bring you more. There's also a nice sized drawer here if you prefer to bring your own K-cups from home. Below that, we have our beverage cooler. Now this is just a beverage cooler. It doesn't get super cold and it does not have a freezer compartment, so keep that in mind. We have a nice workspace here, and over on this desk you can see traditional outlets as well as some USB inputs here. But the most beautiful part of this room are the 2 walls of windows, which you see here. We have a king-size bed, which is really nice. There's also some seating at the end of the bed here. And over here on our bedside tables, we have more traditional outlets as well as some USB inputs. Same thing on the other end table. And over here underneath the television, you can see we have some additional storage space. Out this first window, which is close to this nice little chair where you can sit down and relax, we have a view of the beach volleyball course as well as a view of the yacht club as well as the beach club beach and part of Crescent Lake. And then over here we have our cute little Juliet balcony, and we can step out here, and again we have another view of the water slide at Stormalong Bay, beach volleyball, and over here we have more views of Crescent Lake, the Boardwalk Resort, and then one of the quiet pools here at Disney's Beach Club Resort. So this is a very bright, spacious room, perfect for a honeymoon or an anniversary trip. So definitely a wonderful place to stay, and within walking distance of Epcot, and you can either take a friendship boat or the Skyliner, or you can even walk over to Hollywood Studios as well, with bus service to the other 2 parks as well as to Disney Springs. I hope you enjoyed our walkthrough tour of a corner king room at Disney's Beach Club Resort. Keep in mind that my vacation planning services are completely free when you book through me, and booking through me is the same price as booking directly on Disney's website. For more information or a quote on your next adventure, visit my blog at gingermmt.com. Thanks for watching.